In this video, I will teach you a new way you can run your Facebook ads directly to your WhatsApp group. This secret method does not require a landing page. You are not going to be using any WhatsApp autoresponder for this. And guess what? It is easy to set up, straight to the point. I will show you the step-by-step process. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I create valuable videos on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok, and other social media ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing from beginner level to expert level, then go ahead to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. To run your WhatsApp ad, click on this create button. The first thing to do is to select your ad objective. This particular method I want to teach you on how to run your Facebook ads directly to your WhatsApp group. You will need to select the traffic objective. When you select the traffic objective, below here you will see the continue button. Click on continue, then select manual traffic campaign. After that, click on continue. I believe you already know how to set up your ads. At this campaign level, go ahead and give it a name. For example, I will just call it WhatsApp ad, but I mostly use the name of the product or service I'm promoting as my campaign name. Okay, I will copy the campaign name because I will use it for ad set and the ad name. Scroll down, just click on the next button down below on the right hand side. At the ad set level, edit your ad name. I will just paste the name I copied from the campaign name. Now pay attention to every other detail so that you don't miss any important information. Remember, we chose traffic objective, but you are not going to be sending that traffic to website. We are sending it to WhatsApp. So we will select message destination as our conversion destination, right? After that, scroll down. For performance goal, ensure that you select maximize number of conversations. Then select your Facebook page here. Just click on this edit button to select the Facebook page you want to use for that ad. Then scroll down. You will see message destinations. Ensure that you select WhatsApp as the only destination. Uncheck Messenger, uncheck Instagram, okay? For bid control, don't put anything there, leave it empty. I believe you already know all that. If you are a complete beginner, you don't know anything about ad, I have a beginner video. The link will be at the description of this video. Go there and watch the beginner's video, okay? For budget and schedule, for this particular ad, we are using 5,000 naira. After inputting your daily budget, then scroll down, you will see schedule, set your end date. I want this advert to run for 1 week, so I will select 7 days from the start date, and that is going to give me 1 week. Okay, then for time, I'm going to be using 11 p.m. to end that ad. Scroll down. After setting the end date, you will see audience control. I've already set my audience and I will use the old audience that I have set. If you don't know how to do proper audience targeting, there is a video I've done on audience targeting. The link will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch that ad on audience targeting. I'll click on switch to original audience option, then click on use original audience. I want to use an old audience that I've already set before, so I'll scroll down to use my old audience. You see use saved audience here. I'll click on it and use the old audience I've set. After setting the audience, scroll down. The next thing is placement. There's an edit button here. If you click on this edit button, you will see option to edit your audience. Select manual placement, then scroll down. I'm using just 5,000 naira. This will not be enough for Instagram placement, so I will leave it only on Facebook. I will uncheck Instagram and uncheck audience network. Then scroll down. Below here on the right hand side, you will see the next button. Click on next. We are now at the ad level. I will edit the ad name. I will paste the name I use for campaign. Then scroll down. Leave partnership ad. Leave identity. Scroll down to ad setup. Leave it at create ad. Okay. Then scroll down. You will see ad creative. Below there is a drop down button here. Click on this drop down button. Select the ad format. I am using image, so I'll select image ad. You can upload the image you want to use here, but I already have the one I want to use, so I'll select this one and click on this next button below. The images are uploaded. Click on the next button below, then enter your primary text. If you have already copied it in your doc, you can just paste it right there. Remember, your primary text explains your offer. It explains what you are selling, what you're promoting. Okay, then for headline, just write your short catchy phrase here about what you're promoting. After the headline, leave description empty. empty. Then for call to action, ensure that it is on send WhatsApp message. Down below, you will see the done button here. Click on done. If you're following, just like this video and drop a comment below. Now that we have finished setting our ad creative, scroll down. You will see message template here. Sometimes you will see chat builder. Okay, they are all the same thing. Now under create new, you are going to see an edit button right here. Click on this edit button. Now pay attention. Let me show you how you will send people straight to your WhatsApp group. Okay, you will see this edit message template. Just enter your welcome message here. For instance, I can just say welcome to Pulse Media. So this is what I wrote as the welcome text. Welcome to Pulse Media. Click on visit website below to join the WhatsApp group for training, because this ad is running for a free training on digital marketing. That's why I use this text. So if you are sending people to WhatsApp group for pre-order, then you will twist it to suit that pre-order stuff. Okay, depending on what you are sending people to WhatsApp group for. All right, so just do it that way. Then the next thing is call to action. This is where you are going to impute your WhatsApp group link. I hope you are following. Under call to action, you will see none here. Then right here you will see a drop down button. Click on this drop down button. We want to add a call to action. Call to action is what you want them to do when they click to your WhatsApp. Okay, you will see visit website. We want them to visit a website. So I will select this visit website. Then you will see the website URL. This is where you paste your WhatsApp group URL. So if you have not copied it, just copy it. I've copied mine. So I will click here and paste that my WhatsApp group URL. This is the WhatsApp group URL I've pasted there. Look at the preview here. Let me zoom it so that you will see the preview. So you see this preview. This is how it's going to pop up for them to see. And the moment they click on this visit website, they'll be directed to your WhatsApp group. So anyone who can read will definitely read this instruction and follow it to click here to join your WhatsApp group. So you see, it's very simple. You don't need expensive landing page. You don't need autoresponder that WhatsApp is going to be blocking your WhatsApp account because you're using autoresponder. You don't need all that stress. This is a simple way that you can do it. It has not finished. Let's follow up. If you're learning something new, I want you to like this video and drop a comment. That will encourage me to bring more valuable information about Facebook and Instagram and social media marketing on this channel. So this is the next thing. For the pre-feed information, you can just ask about how to go about it or whatever here in this pre-feed information, and with that you are done. Then you are going to see this save button down below here. Click on save, and with that you have set your message template. Scroll down. Next thing is tracking. You don't need to track any event here. Leave it like that. Then down below you will see the publish button. Ensure that you have money in your ad account if you're using a prepaid ad account. If you don't have money in there, please fund before you publish your ad. When you go through your ad settings and everything is in order, go ahead and click on this publish button. After publishing your ad, Facebook will review your ad content and approve or reject it. If you have any question, comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.